Welcome back, all friends. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make an effective DIY egg root oil for yourself. The first ingredient we'll be using is the Chebe seeds. Chebe seeds are popularly known for their usefulness in keeping hair moisturized, strengthening hair, and also help with length retention. The second ingredient is the Zobo leaf, aka hibiscus leaves, which helps to increase hair shine, possesses antioxidants that are beneficial for hair health, and also helps to maintain a healthy scalp by reducing dandruff and itchiness. The third ingredient is rosemary, which is very popular and used in infusing oils. It helps to boost blood circulation, it helps to make your hair stronger, and also helps to increase hair growth. To infuse these herbs, I'm going to be using the extra virgin olive oil because it's very cheap, easy to find, and it's also very easy to infuse the herbs in it. I got mine around 1000 naira. It's actually everywhere, so you can get yours at the local store beside you. So I'm using a jar, an old mayonnaise jar, and I'm going to be pouring my herbs inside this jar to make it easy for me to store and infuse. I'm going to be pouring the olive oil inside this jar, and I'm storing this in the jar for about 10 days. This is how it looks like when I first infuse it, and after 10 days this is how it looks like. You can see that there's a slight color change. It becomes a little bit darker than it originally is. I prefer to leave it for 10 days because it works perfectly for me. You can decide to leave it for more than 10 days, maybe about 31 days or 30 days, depending on you. So I'm moving on to use the wick cap to sieve my oil. The wick cap works perfectly for me. You can use a sieve, whatsoever works for you. Once I put the wick cap over my plate, I begin to pour the mixture of the oil and the herbs so that I can get the oil alone. So everything cannot sieve out at once, so I just wait for it to dispense the oil out of the wick cap so that I don't lose any oil, as you can see in the video. Now my oil is ready and it's time for me to pour it into a bottle. So I don't have any funnel or any fancy uh dispenser to pour this oil directly into my bottle. So I'm pouring it back into the bottle where I first poured out the olive oil, and then from there I'm going to pour it back into my applicator bottle, which is quite easy for me to get oil from it. So my applicator bottle is glass, and I can just easily get whatever I want from it. It has something I can just push out the oil and then get it from it, which is so easy for me. So now I'm getting my hair prepped for applying the oil. I'm going to be applying the oil on my scalp and on my hair because both my scalp and hair needs it. So this is my hair clip. I'm going to divide my hair into sections, about 4 sections, so it's easier for me to apply the oil to my scalp and also to my hair. First thing you want to do before applying any oil to your hair or scalp is to make sure that your hair is damp with water. It ensures that the oil penetrates in smoother and better. So once my hair and my scalp is damp, I'm taking out the oil from its bottle and then apply it to my scalp and to my hair. So I ensure that I massage my scalp with the oil as I'm applying it. Massaging your scalp will enable blood circulation and will also help to increase hair growth. Trust me, when you use this oil, you're going to see changes in your hair growth per time, per week, and depending on how fast your hair grows and depending on how fast your hair responds to it. This is not a magic treatment, so you have to consistently use it to see results, and it's not going to give you 10 inches overnight. It's just going to help to grow your hair and boost your hair growth. I hope you understand. So yeah, I'm doing this treatment to all sections of my hair, ensuring that my scalp is well moisturized and massaged, and my hair too is coated with this hair growth oil. In my own opinion, I think that you should apply the oil to your scalp about 3 to 4 times in a week to see maximum results. If you have a very oily scalp, don't apply too much of it, just little of it will do, and you're going to see the result. So if you want something that will boost your hair growth, something that will help you to reduce hair loss, something that will help to wiggle your bowed edges, then you can try this DIY egg root oil. It's cheap and effective and easy to apply. So if you have a friend, a mother, a sister, brother, or anybody that is struggling with hair growth or hair loss, you can recommend this oil to them. It works perfectly fine. It works for moisturizing your hair. It helps you to retain moisture. It even helps improve your hair shine. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. If you have been watching this video and have not subscribed, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and hitting the notification bell for more videos like this when I release them. So until next time, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.